Today, I'm going to start a hand drill fire. My previous attempts. Here we go. Take a little while for it to fill up with dust. I see an ember. I see an ember. Woohoo! Gotta bring you in closer. My first ever hand drill ember. You can see it glowing, right? I don't have this set on macro, so you'll have to bear with me. You can definitely see that. Alright. Oh, yes! Thank you, Jesus! Yeah, baby! Let me just blow this into flame now. Such a beautiful thing. Oh, yes. Years of trying. Come on, get off. Get off there. And this is not a There we go. Fire, baby. Woo-hoo! You see that? Do you see that? Oh man, this is so exciting. Thank you, Jesus. Oh. You have no idea how happy that makes me. It's not the world's best tinder bundle, but oh my gosh. I got a hand drill, cool. I got a hand drill, cool. Yeah, baby. Have to excuse me. Oh my gosh. Check that off the bucket list. Woo. The set I'm using is, this is Eastern White Cedar. And it's Mullein spindle. Sorry, let me rephrase that. A Mullein spindle on Eastern White Cedar. And as you can see, I've done 3 holes so far, and those are my only 3 burned in holes, you know. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much. Yes. Yeah, baby. Hand drill coal. I'd like to say thank you to Crunk Skanunk on here, on YouTube. It's his username anyway. His channel name is Ancient Ways also. I mean, you know how you can have 2 names. Sorry, I'm rambling. But, yeah. I've asked him several questions about the hand drill and he's always been really supportive and oh my gosh. This is just awesome. His videos were really inspirational to me. I Hatchet Jack, he's another one. Awesome channel, you should check him out. Those 2 are like the hand drill masters. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks for watching my, oh my gosh. Woo! That was my first attempt too. Oh wow. Chris is happy.